Do you know the difference between marketing and branding in business? I've got this really fun way of explaining it. Marketing is a bit like asking somebody out on a date. You can putting yourself out there, right? But branding is the reason why they will say yes. So you are your brand, of course, and people always buy people. Think of marketing as like the grand gesture. Okay, it's the bouquet of flowers, the serenading beneath the balcony, okay? It's the perfect intro on a dating app. Not that I've ever done that, but as I imagine, okay, it's that perfect intro. So it's all about making that initial contact grabbing attention and saying, hey, look over here. Check me out. That's something that you might like. So you kind of get where that's coming from, right? So it's our chance to make a memorable first impression. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, okay? So that memorable first impression is really, really important, especially in a crowded room, or in this case, a crowded marketplace, right? Now, branding, on the other hand, now that's a little bit different, right? Because branding is like the soul beneath the smile, okay? It's the stories that you would share over coffee. It's the value that you live by. It's what makes you you. This is the reason why people would, let's say, already be thinking about the second date or the third date. They're imagining beyond that first impression. So it's the personality, it's the values, it's the consistent experience that builds the trust, the loyalty, because your brand is the promise of what they can expect from future interactions. In the world of business, I guess just like dating, people are drawn to authenticity, they're drawn to consistency, they want to connect with brands that resonate with their own values and aspirations. So when your branding is strong, it speaks directly to the heart of your audience, making them feel understood, making them feel valued. It's the reason why they choose you over countless others. It's the emotional connection that turns prospects into loyal fans, following customers, business partners, etc. So just remember, marketing is you putting yourself out there, but branding is the reason why people will choose you. It's the reason why people will say yes. Okay. If you'd like a little bit more information on how you can create an effective brand and you can market your business, drop me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you and point you in the right direction.